Cloud, we have a few different options to create tiles. We have the matching tile game and also ASL or American Sign Language tiles. To find and use these tiles, we will first look for the widget icon, which is on the far right side. Once I have clicked the widgets, I will then scroll down and look for factory tile. The first one we will work on creating is our matching cards. So I'm going to check the box to create the matching cards. If you want students to move these cards around the board, you can also select Students Can Move. In the text box, you will type in what you would like your matching cards to be. You do not just have to use words, you can use numbers. Once I have my matching cards, I will then select Create and click the X so I can see my tiles. From here, I'm going to move some of these tiles around to make it a little bit harder. Now, when the students are ready to play the game, they will select a card and then try to find that matching one. So they won't have to move them around the panel. It's just a clicking card game. The other tile option that we have is our ASL tiles. So it's the same format. I go to my widgets and find factory tile. But this time I'm going to select Make ASL Tiles. If I wanted to have an ASL visual for my students, I could do so using these tiles. Once I select Create, I have my tiles, and I can move them around and pair them with my cards if I wanted to, or if I were just using this in a different lesson. So that is how you create a matching tile card game and ASL tiles.